Hi there, students. Doggerel. Doggerel. Okay? Doggerel is an adjective and a noun. Let's see. I think most commonly a noun. Um, Doggerel describes poetry. Um, I think nowadays it's being used in two ways, but to me, Doggerel is funny poetry. Poetry that's written with the idea of being humorous, making people laugh. Um, but I think the meaning of this is changing. And now Doggerel is referring to bad quality poetry, lacking artistry, lacking good meaning. And let's see, many of these comic poems or comic monologue poems, yes, the quality of the verse is not the best. It's not Lord Byron or Mary Shelley or some great artist, but it's funny. Yeah, it's designed to make you laugh. Yeah. Um, so if you describe somebody's poetry as doggerel, then you're saying it's not good at all. It's bad quality. But doggerel, a type of poetry, for me, it's comic, humorous verse. For example, these poems that I've been reading by Marriott Edgar about Albert, or for example, Pam Ayres, Ayres. Um, their poetry is very funny. It makes you laugh. It's doggerel. It's not the most brilliant rhyming poetry, but it's not meant to be poetry to, what wonderful words. No, it's to tell a story and to get you to, and to make you laugh and follow the story. Okay, so doggerel. Crudely irregular, probably without a good meter, without a good rhythm, poetry. Yeah. Um, but very often in the humorous or with burlesque. Yeah, making people laugh. But well, if it's not if it's not designed to make somebody laugh, if you call poetry doggerel, it's badly written poetry. Yeah, so he thinks himself a new age poet, but what he's writing is just total doggerel. Yeah, it's badly written, badly expressed. Um, as I analyse this poem, it deteriorates more and more into doggerel. But, well, the comic poetry doggerel is something I'm quite a fan of. I think it's very funny. So be careful where you use it. I would use it to describe comic poetry. Yeah, I don't know, doggerel. If I was a dog and you were a flower, I'd lift up my leg and I'd give you a shower. That's pure doggerel. Okay, it's not a great verse. It's not, but it's designed to be funny, and that's the idea of it. Yeah. So yeah, this is not a poem. It's just fragments of mere doggerel. Yeah, this is it has a doggerel meter to it. So formality. I think I'm probably going to give this a 7 in formality. I think it's a fairly formal word. I think you could use it in a semi-formal conversation or semi-formal writing or something very formal. I think you might find many native speakers don't know what the word doggerel means. And then, as well, what would I say informally? Just comic verse, yeah, comic poetry. or just bad poetry as well. And then as to origin, well, this it comes from Doggerel, dog. Um, let's see, dog in this case is saying that it's not very good. Yeah. It's like a dog, as in, for example, the phrase dog Latin. Yeah. Dog. Something that's contemptuous. Yeah, okay. And Doggerel, well, okay, a pejorative thing about it, saying negative things. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Doggerel.